Good morning, everybody. How you doing? The foam is coming together. I'm still figuring out exactly how I want to do the foam and the exact shapes I want. But one thing I've learned and realized and heard people talk about and also agree with is that you shouldn't wait for quote-unquote inspiration to start working. The problem with that is that you can be waiting for inspiration forever, and what you really need to do is be working, and then you learn from your work, and then you'll get inspired, and then you'll make something awesome, and you'll be practiced in it and all that shit. But if you're just waiting for inspiration, you're waiting for the wrong thing. So I'm not entirely sure how I want the foam to work today. I don't really know how I want it on my arms. If you have any ideas, if you're a curious fellow, a smart guy, a smart gal, and you have some ideas on how it might connect around the arm, how the foam should work. I know it's going to be tight around the wrist because that's a bony projection, and then also on the elbow. But if you have some interesting thoughts or ideas, post them down below. I will read them. I will respond to them. Let's go get to it, guys. Alright, I pulled out 4 base components over here, which is going to be 3D printed, just solid components that the foam is going to go to, and the foam is going to be made out of this part right here. So how do you think that looks rocking around my back? Ooh, being weird. Alright, rocking around my back. Cool, huh? Alright guys, I've been working on this thing. I think it's pretty cool. Let me show you what I'm working on here. So if you look right in here, you can see this is like a base layer. This is going to be made out of hard plastic, and the rubber is going to be glued to the top of it. So that's it inside the torso right there. And then if you look in here, there's a ring. You see that ring? So that ring, what that's going to do, that base plate, the rubber is going to be put on top of it, and then that fabric layer is going to go over the top of that, and then down to the base plate, and the ring is going to be pushed on top between the base plate and the ring. The fabric will be there, and then it'll be glued on, so that ring is going to hold that fabric on there, which is going to be real nice. It's going to hold it together really, really good. Alright, and check this out. This is pretty cool. I got the rubber parts coming together. Check that out. Isn't that cool? It's like a race car seat or something like that. I fucking love it. It doesn't have the pattern cut through it yet. That's coming. But look at how fucking smooth it all looks and just sexy it is. And I took these and I put what's called a draft on them. And so I angled these ones in to get that gap. And then I took them all and I angled them out just a little bit. So if you see, you can see kind of in here how this is sticking out just a little bit past. So it's kind of open, kind of like exactly like I was saying, like a car seat. So it's kind of opening up to kind of hold you like that. Haha, it's fucking neat. This thing is starting to look really fucking good, guys. I told myself I would work out today. Alright, I went out there, so it was good to move around. It's good to get my body, I worked on my back, focused on my back. Felt good. That is it for today. Tonight, I'm going to go up, I'm going to try to get a 3D print and the rubbery stuff going on just this piece right here. It's the one that goes right here, the smallest one, just to see if it actually prints and works. Hopefully I won't have any trouble getting it to go on and give myself a headache or some shit like that. But if it goes down, I'll let it print overnight, and then in the morning it should be working. Other than that, though, guys, this shit's starting to look really fucking good. I hope you think it looks as good as I think it looks. And I'm imagining how this thing is going to look as a full suit. He's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. Alright, love you guys. Come back tomorrow. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Love you guys. Bye.